Yo folks, what is up? Carson here, back with another video. We are in Kansas. We just made it. Literally pulled up to this spot, this lake, probably 30 minutes ago. First lake, we were just gonna scout it. Never seen this place. Never scouted it, never hunted it, nothing. And we got about 5 inches of snow. Driving here was just crazy. We had to drive on a big old back road to get back here, and it was just really sketchy. But yeah, we're setting up right now. It's about 11 a.m. We might just hunt all evening. Oh, here. Saw a ton of ducks. Still flying right now all over us, so feeling pretty good. Got about 5 feet of snow. There's a duck doing right there. About 5 inches of snow, sorry. 5 inches of snow right now, so this is pretty wicked. I've never hunted something like this, but it's awesome. This is a dream hunt. Got pretty windy, look. Just tons of birds out there. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's snowing pretty hard, so setting up over there. Oh my God. There's ducks everywhere, guys. We need to get to hunting. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, they're doing it in our spread. Oh shoot, boys. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. It's 11 a.m. and look at this. They're doing it right in our spread. Boys, we need to get set up. This is gonna be an epic hunt. Stay tuned. You won't be pissed.
In the blind here.
I bought this goodie bag.
Caleb's got a goodie bag.
It's gonna be epic.
Here's the spread.
God dang, man.
Right
here. Shoot, boys.
No! Oh. There you go. Oh. I didn't see that one.
That's a great green ring.
That's the one I shot. Shoot him, Stu.
Garrett, Stu, you can shoot. You're good, man.
He got out there quick. He did good.
There's one here.
One, we got one.
Shoot that one, shoot that one. Alright guys, walking back to the truck. We're at, I don't know, last time we saw you on camera, Carson's camera died. But we're at like 12 teal, I think, 13 maybe. And it's only like noon, I think. Maybe noon. So I'm gonna go back to the truck and get my camera. And the teal are hard to hit, so we're gonna need more shells. Yeah, this is a great hunt. Snowy hunt, first day. Absolutely wild. See y'all on the GoPro.
Let me shoot this one on my right. Kill him, kill him.
Boys are everywhere! Oh my God!
We just didn't shoot a bird.
No, one's down, one's down.
Holy crap.
This bird's getting away. Holy
No, he's
snap.
dead. He's dead.
No, he ain't. You better hurry.
Yeah, we're not thinking about it.
Alright, keep coming. Here, right here. 3, 2,
1, shoot him!
There we go. Get him, Gary.
Good call. I'll tell you when. I'll push shot. Oh my God, they're doing it. Big group.
oh my.
Take him!
What the? Oh!
Nice. Stay here.
Are you kidding me?
Take him, boys. Nice, boys. Good shooting.
Alright, let's go get these.
Let's go get these done.
Garrett, get yours, I'll get one of these.
Nice. Yeah, we're a little good.
Holy, that's a stud.
I'll call him, I'll call him.
More?
Right here.
Let him work.
Yeah.
No, take him, that's my shot. Oh, you got one.
I gotta run.
Go get him. Go get him.
He's gettable.
I'm gonna grab a shell.
He's way out there. He's already gone. He's way out there.
No, Oh, man.
Kill! I didn't hit any.
Are we done now?
I didn't
Get
hit
your gun
any.
out the mud. Get your gun out the mud.
Woo, baby! Let's go!
No!
Tail's limited. I didn't shoot.
We're.
Oh, did you hit one? This one. Oh, okay. You're limited. Here. We both got 5. We got 3?
Yeah.
I didn't shoot any.
Get your gun out the mud.
What's going on here?
Oh, get your look at your barrel.
Oh my god. This shit happens every year, man. I don't want to do this.
Let's see that Drake.
Here's Drake. Here's his girlfriend.
Right in. Hey. Let's go, baby.
Poor man.
I didn't see this one the whole time.
No.
You guys said this one.
I think it was
Get out there and get it.
Dude.
Oh my god.
Look how dumb he is.
Drake?
I was scared she didn't get away for a second.
Yeah, he was
He was
alive.
beating me in that
Made me
race.
nervous when you didn't grab your gun.
I know.
Alright guys, so it's a pretty serious road out, but we're taking it the bull by the horns. And yeah, going through some ruts and oh yeah, with the boat behind us. That's awesome. Things we do for these ducks and really paid off. So yep. Thank you guys so much for watching. How do I flip the screen? Now you guys can't see me. Now you can. Yeah, we're gonna be out here all week. This is our first day in Kansas, so yeah, stay tuned. Carson, Stu, Caleb, and yeah, we're just gonna be out here and having a great time. All right, see you guys. Peace.